Next up we have is the Tole feature. This functionality allows you to input the specific Tole from where each student belongs. Let's go through the process. Simply click on to Add Tole option. Enter the name of the Tole. Confirm your entry by saving it. As demonstrated, the newly added tool is now visible to our system. Next, we will navigate to the Teachers Level feature. This section is designed to categorize our educators based on their teaching level, such as primary, secondary, or higher secondary. Let's add a teaching level. Click on to add teacher level. Input the name. For this purpose of demonstration, I will add higher secondary. Do not forget to save it. As you can see, teacher level higher secondary has been successfully added to our system. You can also update or delete the teacher level. Our next feature is teacher grade. To use this feature, click on to add teacher grade. Enter the name of the teacher grade such as A, B, C, whichever you like to add. Confirm your entry by saving it. So you can successfully use teacher level grade like as I have shown in this video. Our next feature is occupation, which allows you to add the occupation of students' parents. Let's go through the process. Select on add occupation option. Enter the name of the occupation such as teacher, banker, accountant, doctor, engineer, and so on. Make sure you save it. This is how you can successfully add occupation by using this feature. The next feature we will explore is religion. This functionality allows you to add various religions. Let's see how it works. Select add religion. Input the name of the religion such as, let's take an example, Christianity. Confirm your entry by saving it. As you can see, Christianity is now successfully added to our system. Next, we will navigate to package feature. This feature allows you to add various packages such as yearly, monthly, semester, and so on. To add package, select add package option. Enter the name of the package, enter number of installments, and enter installment period, which should be in days, and save it to the system. This is how you can successfully add package. Now that we have successfully completed main entry section, let's move on to the primary section. This section is divided into two parts, student and teacher. Let's start with the student section. You can see several fields here such as name, information, phone number, date of birth, gender, and caste. To add a student, simply click on to the add student option. This will bring up a form with various fields that needs to be filled out. Let's go through a sample. Firstly, you will need to enter the first name of the student, middle name, last name, phone number. The phone number should be accurate, shift, class, section, batch, and date of birth. Additionally, you have to fulfill roll number, caste, religion, gender, province, district, municipality, ward number, toll, and register date. In addition to these basic details, you can also add the student's image, net fee, package, installment amount, and fee type. Also, you have to fill out the parents' information such as father's name, mother's name, contact number, address, their nationality, and occupation. This is how you can successfully add a student. Confirm your entry by saving all the details. This section allows you to manage teachers' profiles efficiently. To add a new teacher, navigate to the Add Teacher options. This will prompt a form requiring various teacher details. Begin by entering government ID, insurance ID, PAN ID, first name, middle name, last name, phone number, date of birth, and various other that you have seen in the screen. Additionally, the form also allows for the inclusion of a teacher's cover image in addition to these basic details. There are various options such as email, salary, period type, number of period in a day, and so on. This feature has many options to update the teacher's profile. By once you have filled out every details, make sure you save it. This is how you can successfully add a new teacher details to the system.